Today I'm going to show you how to make animated shadow. Go and open video project. We are going to use this ball. Go to elements and write shadow and choose any shadow you want. Make the shadow in the middle and make the ball in the middle as well. Layers, show layers. Make the ball in the top. Duplicate. Move the ball and click on the shadow. Go to transparency and make it 0. And move this page and add transitions, match and move, make it 1 second or as you want, and here is the result. And if you want the ball to jump again, just duplicate this page and add match and move. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.